Hey, just got this cool little crossbow from Amazon. I put the scope on it. Otherwise, it's all how it comes from the factory. But I found it at Target, and I'm going to show you how it works. I know. But there's a dope. It's in safety mode already. Just throw a bolt in there. Oh, let's give it a shot. Whoop, safety. Okay, here we go. Pretty sure that'd be a kill shot. I'm just saying, if you were pumpkin, it's a bad day for you. Later.